With Chandeep at Goodly once again, and this is one of the most informal videos that I am going to post on YouTube to thank each and every single subscriber to help us reach 10,000 subscribers on Goodly. So thank you so much if you did subscribe to Goodly and learned any of the tricks that I've shared with you. Thank you so much. In the future, what I plan to do is I obviously plan to do a lot of Power BI, tax, and query related videos, but I also plan to bring in a few interesting people that I've met in the past whose work revolves in and around data, and you can actually learn a lot from those people as well. And I've started to kind of fiddle around a lot with Power Automate, and you can also expect to start to see these videos upcoming soon, videos on process automation and things like that. And yeah, that was a quick video to thank everybody to subscribe to Goodly and help the channel reach this volume of subscribers that we have as of now. Thanks so much, and I will see you once again in one of the tax or Power Query or probably Power Automate videos very soon. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys. Bye.